Hello, in this video I am connecting ESP8266 with a DHT11 temperature sensor. So I have connected the temperature sensor, and this is the coding I have written for measuring the temperature of the environment. So I am going to select the board. I am using ESP8266, so that the name will be Node MCU ESP12E module. So I am selecting the board and I am connecting the port also. Okay, I am giving, and now I am dumping the code to the ESP8266 microcontroller. So the code is getting dumped now. After the code getting dumped, it will come as done uploading. So then after we can monitor the temperature humidity in serial monitor. So the code is getting dumped now, uploading now. After uploading, it will come as done uploading. I am waiting for done uploading message. So now it's getting uploading. Yeah, it's getting uploaded. Now we can go to serial monitor and we can monitor the temperature humidity. So I'm going to serial monitor. Yes, we can monitor now humidity and temperature now. So I can vary the temperature using my hand itself. So humidity is varying, but the temperature on the environment is 26 degree to 70 degrees Celsius. So this is DHT11 temperature sensor using ESP8266. Thank you.